Leaked photos of Gen 5 Glock 17M. Pictures of the rumored 5th-generation Glock 17M have been leaked. Developed for FBI and other law enforcement agency contracts, the newest Glock pistol drops a lot of unpopular features and adds a few modern upgrades. While Glock's handguns may be the most well-known and most successful polymer-framed service pistols in the world, they're a little dated. Even the newer generation models don't stray far from the original design. Because of this, other companies have been encroaching on Glock territory with more innovative, feature-heavy designs. These photos indicate that the next-gen Glock 17M has come a long way, incorporating an ambidextrous slide release, reversible magazine release and a reprofiled grip shape. The new model has a straight grip without finger grooves and an enlarged, flared magazine well. The grip looks like it can accept add-on back straps for larger hands. It also has a cutout at the front and redesigned magazine baseplate. This is probably to make it easier to remove stuck or jammed magazines. Other changes include a new muzzle contour and a smooth trigger. There are more than just cosmetic changes here, too, as the 17M has a different pin layout and a new, enlarged recoil spring assembly. Glock also upgraded the finish, but exact details about that remain unknown. FBI awards Glock with $85 million contract for Glock 17M. These changes largely conform with the FBI's service pistol requirements. The FBI awarded Glock an $85 million contract for new handguns and parts earlier this year, and keen-eyed observers pointed out that no Glock pistol meets those requirements. These changes will open up many new markets for the Glock 17M. It's not uncommon for agencies to have a gun in mind when they draw up service pistol requirements. These requirements can be so specific that only one handgun can meet them all. A way to rule out Glock for contracts is to require a grip without finger grooves. It's not just agencies that are turned off by finger grooves. A lot of gun owners have sought out other designs because they dislike Glock's love it or leave it grip. Also, these left-handed features will help draw buyers. It's not just lefties that want left-handed and ambidextrous controls, many right-handed shooters practice shooting offhand and one-handed, too. Time will tell what else may be new and different about the next generation of Glock pistols. It's probable that some parts will not be compatible with previous-gen pistols. Still, it would be surprising if major components like magazine bodies and sights are changed. With such a huge, established market and aftermarket, major accessory compatibility will be critical for rapid adoption.